يا من أتيت فزدت حبنا أسعدتنا وجمعت شملنا.
Hello guys, today we are going to make wonderful things for Eid. Eid is only 2 days away, so we have to hurry. We don't have much time. So the things that we are going to make for Eid are, we are going to be making goodie bags, we are going to make wall decorations, we are going to make pinata for the candy, and we are going to make a chocolate basket for all the good candies. Even though it's quarantine, no one's going to be there, but we are still going to enjoy Eid. So we are going to start with our pinata. So first we are going to take an A4 size paper, any paper, you can even use white, but I'm going to be using green, and tape it using glue tape or anything you have available. Now let's go on to the next step. Over here we have pink color crepe paper, green color crepe paper, white color crepe paper, and peach. So we are not going to use the hard way, like open them and then cut them individually, but we are going to do it the easier way and cut them while it's already folded. So let's get cutting. Okay, so I'll cut like 2 pieces out of each crepe paper roll.
أنت هدية من الله لنا بعد انتظارنا لك طول السنة فيك السرور والهنا حمدا لك يا ربنا. عيد سعيد, let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك, come on let's celebrate. عيد سعيد, let's enjoy this happy day.
So for the hair of the pinata, we are going to cut the crepe paper like this in lines, so it looks like it's the hair, but don't cut it all the way. It should be a little spiky.
عيد مبارك, come on let's celebrate, celebrate, let's celebrate. Allah Allah, thank you for this day.
Smiles and greetings everywhere. Eid Mubarak to everyone out there. Whole families together and celebrate. Today's the day, so come on, no time to waste. Sometimes the world takes us so far, though miles apart. Today you're in my heart.
Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك, come on let's celebrate. عيد سعيد, let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك, come on let's celebrate, celebrate, let's celebrate.
So now to make the candy shape, I'm going to be using pink crepe paper, and I'm going to stick it this way like this, and I'm going to tie it like this so it's like a candy shape on both sides. Both of the sides are glued in, and it looks something like this. Looks kind of weird. It looks like a caterpillar, but not going to look like a caterpillar for long. It's going to look like a pinata, because we are going to make it into a pinata. So we're going to take all these giggly bits and we're going to stick them like this, one by one. So it should look something like this. This was really big, so we had to cut off the excess. Now I'm gonna put the next ones on this way, and we have to do it until it all ends. See, it's so big. Okay, so the pink one's glued to next color on, and it's green. The green looks really pretty. Okay, now that we are done with the green one, we're gonna put the white one on.
Thank you for this day.
Now that the white one's done, let's repeat the colors.
يا من أتيت فزدت حبنا أسعدتنا وجمعت.
Look, the pinata is all done. Looks so cute. All we have to do is tie the ends.
ربنا عيد سعيد. Let's enjoy this happy day.
Remember not to fasten both of the sides because you're going to put chocolate from one of the sides later.
عيد سعيد. Let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك.
Hello guys, and as you all know, we are preparing Eid decoration, and I am making a paper chain for decoration. So let's start. So I'm using all these colors, and you have to cut half-inch strips from all the colors. So let's cut. So I got some stripes over here, and and then we stick it like this in a circle. Let's stick it now. Okay, like this, and then we take another stripe and we stick it like this. Just like this, and continue till it ends. You can use any type of color you like. You can use a rainbow pattern or only 2 colors. You can use any color. But I'm using orange. I'm using orange, green, peach, and white. You can make this chain as long as you want.
Thank you for this day.
And there you have the paper chain. Now let's bring on the chocolate. There we go. Ooh, this looks good. Ah, the water slide for chocolate. Okay, so now it's all full. So we are going to seal it from the other side. Using ribbon, of course.
Let's enjoy this happy day.
Doesn't it look beautiful? I want to eat it. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments box down below.
Let's enjoy this happy
As
day.
you can see, over here I have a lot of chocolate. And using these chocolates, I'm going to make a chocolate basket. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the last thing on our list for Eid is the goodie bags and the flower basket. Now the goodie bags are going to be inside the flower basket. So we have to start with the goodie bags first. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of goodie bags. And if I do it by myself, then it's going to take me exactly 2 years to finish it. So, to make the process a little more faster, I'm going to ask for some help. Come on in, guys. Hello. I have my sister and my friend here to help me out. So, let's get started. Okay, so Inaya, this is for you. Thank you. And these are for you. Thank you. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so inside the goodie bags, there are going to be 1 card that says Eid Mubarak and 200 fills and some candy. First, you're going to need some colored paper. Let's cut them first. Okay, so they're going to start with the cards. And I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay, so first we are going to use a decorative scissors, and I'm going to cut the sides like this. So see how they make it wiggly? And that's how you want it. There we go. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna write Eid Mubarak on the card.
عيد سعيد, let's enjoy this happy day. عيد مبارك, come on, let's celebrate. عيد سعيد, let's enjoy this happy.
To decorate these cards, I'm going to use these star sequins, but they're not a sticker. So to stick them on the card, I'm gonna use a glue stick like this. Time to glue.
Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate, celebrate. Let's celebrate. Allah, Allah, thank you for this day.
Okay guys, now it's the time to fill up our goodie bags. I'm gonna take one bag, add in a card. Now I need a chocolate. Oh, Ina, can you pass me the chocolates? Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Now I'm gonna add 2 toffees in one packet. And we're going to add 2 refills in here. And you're done with your goodie bag. Look at all of these goodie bags filled with candy, money, and cards. Thank you, Nana and Sarah. Without you, it wouldn't be possible. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Now we'll start with the flower basket. Over here, I have a basket for all of my goodie bags. Now we're going to decorate it using crepe paper flowers. Now, if you don't know how to make these crepe paper flowers, I made them in my last video, Ramadan wall decoration. Let's get gluing.
Let's celebrate. Allah, Allah, thank you for this day.
I stuck here 2 peach flowers like this. And now I'm going to stick a green flower over here. I want to put the flowers only till here so that it looks like it started growing from here and stopped here, so it looks a little pretty. So over here I have a big piece of felt and I'm going to crumble it and I'm going to put it in the basket like this. And I'm going to put all the goodie bags on top of it like this.
Let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!
Let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak.